Hello everyone and welcome to Kiddos Koral, and I'm Heidi, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Aldi haul. This will be my last grocery haul for the month of February. I just got a refrigerator delivered yesterday and there's been a lot of moving going on, and so I'm stocking up my refrigerator with just odds and ends. Now I have to tell you that I did not and could not purchase everything that was on my list today, just simply because we have been in winter storm. So I think that either deliveries coming in or a lot of people are just stocking up because of the snow. But I did get majority. We're going to eat fine. We got the essentials. We're good. But this is the first lot of items that I bought, and I want to share it with you guys. And I'm going to put this up and then I'll come back and show you the rest. So I got these pizza snacks. These are the frozen like pizza rolls. I've never had these from Aldi's, but they were pretty reasonably priced. And I thought for an evening snack it would be good. We got egg rolls. I have had these and they are phenomenal. Love them. Got these hot cocoa things for the Keurig machine. I got some pork chops. And sorry about the glare. I'll try to keep it off. I'm working out the lighting in this house when I video. So then I have some burger and some chicken legs. And I also have my Italian sausage that I put in my potato soup. So I have that. I have a Jiffy mix. Some baking soda. I've got 3 things here, but I actually think I bought a couple more, maybe at least one more of the tartar sauce. My husband loves the tartar sauce, but they say that it's a seasonal item at Aldi. I do not know why, because they always sell fish. So whenever I get it, I see it there, I always buy extras, and that way I'm stocked. Then we have the spicy brown mustard, again, another favorite of Ronnie's. Got some vanilla caramel coffee creamer, a thing of saltines. This is one of my favorite frozen meals from there, and this is the lo mein. Really, really good. If you're looking for something to fix that is quick and easy, another lo mein. Got some frozen chicken tenderloins because I'm going to be making some chicken fajitas one night. Let's see what else I got here. Love this coffee. I've had this a couple times. The breakfast blend. You'll probably see another one in this haul. Got a few of these brown gravy mixes. This is really, really good on the pork chops. Some flour tortillas. Some mozzarella cheese because we're going to be making some pizza. All-purpose flour. Some chocolate chip bar mix. Some chips. 2 things of eggs. Some mayonnaise, lettuce, some olive oil right here, and this here is, hold on, I got a thing coming up on my phone, is yellow cake mix, and we've got some bacon, some baking powder, and some cornstarch. So I am going to get this put up, and then I will come back and I will share the next lot of food. Okay, here is the second lot of food. So we're going to start off with, we have potatoes here. I'm going to be making mashed potatoes, and if you're ever looking to save money on a side dish, potatoes are the way to go. So then we've got some, these are their brand of Pringles. These are really good. I got 2 cans of those. I got some seasoned French fries back here. Let's see what else. This sauce is our favorite. It is the tomato, basil, and garlic. This is really good, used as a pizza sauce as well. I got 2 of these. I got 3 things of the active dry yeast. I just keep it in my freezer. Tartar sauce. And just so you know, here's another tartar sauce. I just made sure that I bulked up on that. We got some imperial butter. 3 more things of Jiffy mix because I use this to make my Mexican cornbread, and it is so, so good. An evaporated milk. A crushed pineapple. We got a thing of Cheese Whiz because I'm going to eventually make something with this later. We've got a thing of mushrooms because I've got some crescent rolls and some cream cheese. And I'm going to make my little crescent things that's got chicken in it and cream cheese and mushrooms. And then they're baked in the oven. And then I'm going to serve it with my potato soup. It would be really, really good. Got some butter spread. We was out, and it's just me and Ronnie now, and I don't really utilize this as much. Another imperial spread. Some Gain laundry detergent. Some fish fillets. 2 things of cheese. Let's see what else. Another thing of egg rolls. These are amazing. If you guys are looking for good, easy fixing, that is it. It is so good. Love those. They really taste like a Chinese restaurant. That's why I like those. Got some lasagna because I'm going to be making some lasagna. And we've got some Ziploc bags, my coconut water, some milk, and we've got some milk, some white vinegar, and I have a couple more things to get, and I will share that with you. Okay, my last 2 purchases. I've got this steamer. This is a wonderful, wonderful thing. If you guys have never used one of these, this is amazing. It will clean anything. Baseboards, windows, you name it. But be careful, you know, especially if you have little kids running around. But this is amazing. Also got this sofa cover. It goes on like that. It's a nice micro blend, and I think it'll be really nice on my couch. And I'm getting a new couch and love seat in here, and I will be using this on there for sure too. So we don't have any animals because Bo Bear moved with his parents. Right now we're animalless except for our 2 little birds upstairs, but for right now we're still going to protect our couch because it is white. So this makes sense to me. Hope you guys enjoyed my Aldi haul. If you have any questions, leave it down below in the comments, and I'll try to get back with you as soon as possible. Hope you all are staying safe and warm. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Have a wonderful week. Bye, guys.